video was made by some dental hygienist students from Sheffield, and it demonstrates how to clean the teeth for someone who's disabled in some way or simply an elderly relative.
It is important to prepare the following items when assisting someone else's toothbrushing: the toothbrush, either manual or electric, fluoride toothpaste, a mirror to aid your vision or for them to use, a towel to go around their neck to protect their clothing, an empty cup to spit out excess toothpaste, and a chair or similar for them to sit on so you can stand behind them. You may wish to support their head with your free hand. Ensure that you can see what you are doing. Depending on whether you are using a manual or electric toothbrush, follow the techniques for toothbrushing as described previously in this video. You may notice some bleeding when brushing. This is because the bacteria in plaque have irritated the gums, and it is a sign of active gum disease. It is important to clean away the soft, sticky yellow plaque. Keep brushing the area as normal. You should start to see less bleeding or none at all if it is being kept clean. If you feel you are keeping the area clean and it is still bleeding, book an appointment with a dentist. A dentist can provide an individually tailored oral hygiene routine.
Other techniques and materials mentioned throughout the app will clearly be of benefit to anyone you may be helping. And if you've seen this video as a dentist or hygienist and have some ideas, please forward them on to me. All my oral health videos are now available as a free download on your mobile device. Download the free Teeth for Life app and press Squeeze Me to see how it can help save time and money for you and your family. Alternatively, look at the video links here, and please press the subscribe button to help improve oral health for everyone.